This is a high wind warning from February 7, 2020, 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time to February 7, 2020, 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. High wind warning issued February 7 at 11:04 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until February 7 at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time by NWS, New York City, Upton, Bronx, Kings, Brooklyn, New York, Manhattan, Northern Queens, Richmond, Staten Island, Southern Queens. High wind warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? New York, Manhattan, Bronx, Southern Queens, Richmond, Staten Island, Kings, Brooklyn, and Northern Queens counties. When? Until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. This next message is a severe thunderstorm warning from February 7, 2020, 11:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to February 7, 2020, 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Severe thunderstorm warning issued February 7 at 11:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until February 7 at 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time by NWS, Philadelphia, Mount Holly, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jamesburg to Holiday City-Berkeley, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Toms River, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Jackson, Howell, East Brunswick, Sayreville, Marlborough, Carteret, Tinton Falls, Humdale, and Red Bank. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between mile markers 81 and 134, Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 22 and 34, Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 9, New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 13. Hail, 75-inch. Wind, 75 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room in the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover.